Hey everyone, friends, this is Weller. Today I'll show you how to add friends and play with them in Mini Militia. To do this, go to your profile and share this ID with your friend. Then they need to go to Friends, click Add Friend, and enter your ID like this. Type the ID, underscore, and the numbers. Yeah, right there. There. And click Search. There. Then add them as a friend. Yeah, just click Search, then click Add to Friends. After that, click Create Game. There. And then click the plus sign, invite your friend, and once they join, click the play button. That's it. This was Weller. See you all later.